Good afternoon. Hello, how are you? Okay, how do I promote Fiverr gigs on Google Ads or Google AdWords? Good question. So I guess you are selling something on Fiverr. The best way I would say is showcase your expertise on YouTube and create videos, and then you have your link along the bottom of the video, where in the comments, the first comment, and pin it so that you can say something like, if you would like get my Fiverr gig for $5 or something, click here, and then it's going to take you straight to Fiverr or Upwork or wherever you are working, and that way you can really differentiate yourself from the competitors, because I haven't seen many freelancers using this strategy of putting yourself out. Now, a lot of people say, well, why should I show them how to do Photoshop or how to create content or how to do video marketing or Google Ads? The more you are going to teach and show people, the more they're going to come back to you for more. It's just like all these master chefs. They show us the whole recipe, how to make a burger or how to cook a steak. They don't give us half the recipe and say, well, then if you want to if you want to make the full dish or the complete dish, buy my DVD or buy my book. They show you the whole recipe, and still they have made millions on the back of it. So give away everything, showcase your expertise, and I can promise you, they are going to come to you and they will buy from you.